Today, we are talking about why your YouTube Shorts may not be working. There is a great opportunity coming for people who are creating YouTube Shorts. I'm really happy to have you here, and you're probably here because you've been posting your YouTube Shorts, but they have not been showing up on the short shelf. So what is the short shelf? Think of it as the Explore page on Instagram or the For You page on TikTok. And that's where you can discover entertaining, educational, or inspiring content. And that leads us to our next point. Why are your shorts not working? Why are they not on the short shelf? And what determines for them to land on the short shelf? Let's talk about it. Think of the short shelf as a rotating machine with lots of appetizers. Your audience will consume the best ones. YouTube determines which are the best videos based on the watch time. If your audience can finish the whole video, it's categorized as a popular appetizer, which means it's delicious. Okay, enough cheesiness. What I really mean is that you have to keep your audience watching as much as possible of your video. But how do you do that? If you have a good hook and you can capture the attention of your audience in the first 2 to 3 seconds, they're likely to stay until the end of the video. So the next question, what is a good hook? A good hook starts with a good question. You say something bold or promise to deliver something. Your goal is to keep your audience at the edge of their seat. A great example of that would be Mr. Beast. He knows how to create a good video and deliver a promise. He's definitely the king of the internet. But if you don't know who Mr. Beast is, I suggest you watch his videos. Let's say you created a great hook. You're keeping your audience interested until the end of your video. They're watching all the way, but your videos are still not making it to the short shelf. My suggestion is do not freak out. Shorts are still in beta. And once it starts locking in who your audience is, and you keep making videos that serve that audience, your videos will continue to get rotated. This is the reason why some of your videos, after they had a good spike in the beginning, they started to slow down, and eventually they started to pick up more views. So just keep making videos, keep posting, because some creators have noticed that some of their videos in the beginning may have not gotten much views, and all of a sudden they spike in about 2 weeks after they had posted, or even a month after. Keep making videos. That's what's gonna help you gain traction on your channel. Views still haven't been separated when it comes to shorts and long form videos. Subscribers that you continue getting on your channel are gonna help you get monetized. Keep doing what you're doing, keep posting. That's definitely gonna help you out. If you haven't figured out your niche, don't worry about it, because the way that I see it, you are the niche. And people can see that you're creating videos on something you know you're interested in or you're passionate about. They began to fall in love with you as a creator. And whether you decide years down the line to switch your subject and try something else, your audience will follow you. They want to be part of your journey. Focus on giving your audience the best you can give them, and that's going to help you take your channel to the next level. Like and subscribe, because in the next few weeks, I'm going to give you more tips on how to be more successful with YouTube Shorts. Remember to stay creative, stay positive, and let's live an awesome life. Popular appetite. It's categorized as a popular appetizer. It's categorized as a popular appetizer.